tax credit initiative, benefiting nearly 291,000 Jamaicans, earning $3 million or less annually. However, concerns were raised in Parliament on Tuesday about the accessibility of the program for some who may be excluded due to registration challenges. Finance Minister Favour Williams hails the program as historic, noting its strong uptake since its October rollout.
It's worth noting that the $5.8 billion from the reverse income tax credit is a first in Jamaica's history. So, Mr. Speaker, let me remind members of this honorable House that eligible individuals who have not yet applied can still do so, as the deadline is Monday, December 2nd, 2024.
The initiative, introduced in March by then Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, was designed to provide relief to low-income earners while promoting tax compliance. But the opposition remains skeptical, calling it a political maneuver.
The so-called reverse income tax credit is to be turned into a $20,000 money giveaway. It is a blatant, run-with-it, vote-buying scheme for the next election.
That criticism carried over to Gordon House on Tuesday, with the opposition dismissing the reported 50% uptake as modest.
Obviously, with the upgrade in the level of compensation in the society, this 50% is indicating that we have less persons working $3 million or less in the society.
With that, opposition MP Angela Brown-Burke expressed concern about the program's accessibility, especially for the self-employed.
Many of your self-employed kind of persons, like your helpers, domestic helpers and so on, they are not on the NIS system. They are unable to apply.
Another point of contention for the opposition is the eligibility criteria.
I want to call attention again to the Prime Minister's presentation at the conference on Sunday, in which he indicated
Mr. Speaker, the Minister might be unaware that there are many persons who would not have been listening into the conference, because they're not labor rights.
The Social Security Ministry will oversee eligibility for the program and is set to release updated guidelines to help self-employed and unregistered persons access the benefit.